The Weather Channel, Hurricane Central. Coming up, the latest on Katrina. But now, your local on the 8s.
Closed on Monday and Tuesday in Jefferson Parish so that evacuations can be taken.
Well, you heard it. No school Monday or Tuesday for Jefferson Parish in Louisiana as school districts closely monitor the developments of Hurricane Katrina. Keep it tuned to the Weather Channel for the very latest details on any more school closures to report. Let's go to Mike now, where Katrina is still on the move and a little shift in that movement, right, Mike?
Little shift in the movement, Sharon, as well as some intensification. So we now have a west-northwest movement at 7 miles per hour. And the pressure has fallen 2 more millibars. Indications there that this storm is strengthening. We've seen that throughout the day. 360 miles southeast of the mouth of the Mississippi River. Winds right now still sustained at 115 miles per hour. There is definitely some room for these winds to come up, and we anticipate that happening. Let's give you the latest recon from the hurricane hunters. 942 millibars. That's 27.82 inches. This is at flight level at 8,500 feet. The eye info, it is a closed eye right now, but it is a ragged eye wall. We've noticed through the day that we've gone through some eye wall replacement cycles. What that means is that this is a strengthening storm. It's an expanding storm. It's not nearly the size it was just a couple of days ago when it was a very tiny storm. The biggest thing we want to know, though, is where is this storm going? Here's the projected path on Katrina. Right now, again, it's about 360 miles southeast of the mouth of the Mississippi, but notice this forecast track. And any interests here between, say, Intercoastal City back to the Alabama-Florida line. Anywhere within here is where we could see a landfall of this storm. Don't concentrate right down the center, but anywhere within that, you definitely should be taking the necessary precautions to make sure you're prepared for this storm. If that means evacuations, then by means do it. When? We're anticipating getting some impacts even late tomorrow into early Monday, but right there, early Monday evening. Looking potentially now for a landfall similar in Louisiana. If that happens in Mississippi or Alabama, it will obviously be later than that. But anywhere within that cone, you definitely need to be taking this storm very, very seriously. We do have hurricane watches in effect right now in the same cities that we were mentioning, from, say, Intercoastal City back to the Alabama-Florida line. Certainly keep in mind that you're going to be experiencing some hurricane conditions here within approximately the next 36 hours. hours. Where do we not want to be? On the right side of this storm, that's where we have the highest storm surge, the biggest tornado risk, and the highest onshore wind flow. Sharon?
Stay with us for more up-to-the-minute information on Hurricane Katrina. South Florida still dealing with the first effects of this hurricane.